Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 26th of 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper we have also extra Sudokus. In the additional, yes, we have 9 extra Sudokus. Half of them I will solve. I think 5. So first I will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3588. Yes, and today the tip number 5, yes. Several days ago, I started 6 easy tips to avoid failure. Well, today, tip number 5, right areas to improve. All right. So let's get started. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this 126 has 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan a puzzle. Which number can I pick? I see 4 fours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fours. So let me start with 5. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright, 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, therefore no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Then. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We share 1, the 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. And all the ones I used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. All right. Then. Let me see. 3. How about? Yeah. 3. Ooh. 8. I'm scanning. How about these 2 numbers? In the first column, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. Okay. 2, 5, 7, and a 9. Interesting. How about? I'm thinking. Where's the opening? 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3. Ooh. 3. Okay. 5, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There and no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 9, 7, 6. Then we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Okay. Yeah. 2 and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing, 3 and a 9. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2, 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 7 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. 7 and a 9. Okay. We have a 3 in this column. Last column, 3 in that column. So the column between only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? No. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. and all the threes are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 707 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 9. Wait. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. Here, 7 and a 9, but we have a 7 in this third row, so no 7 in this box. The 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, first row. 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this column, last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Okay, 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay, so we have a 5 in this column, 5, last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8 in this column. 2 and the 8, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Wow, faster than my time limit. Yes, my time limit for 2 stars for 26 printed digits is 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the letter, for the killer, for the quintuplet, for the tectonic and the binaries. Yes, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you will find them all. Just go and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again later on in the evening with the other 5 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.